There are many methods available for inserting a table into a Word document. Click on the Insert tab. Select the Table drop-down. Using the grid, click and drag to select the desired number of columns and rows. As you hover the mouse over the grid, the layout is previewed in the document and the number of columns and rows selected is displayed. Click to insert the table. When the cursor is inside a table, the table contextual tabs display. These tabs contain commands for working with tables. To insert a new row at the end of a table, click in the last cell and press Tab. Click outside the table and the contextual tabs disappear. To insert a table with dimensions other than those available on the grid, select the Insert tab and click on Table. Select Insert Table. Indicate the number of columns and rows needed for the table by typing the number or using the scroll buttons. To insert a table using the Drawing tool, select Draw Table from the Table button. The mouse pointer turns into a pen. Drag and draw the borders for the table and internal cells. Release the mouse to insert the table. Click on the Eraser tool to make corrections. Drag the eraser over any lines you want to remove. Click on the Eraser button again to deactivate the tool. To insert one of the built-in table styles, click on the Table button and choose Quick Tables. Scroll through the gallery to select from the pre-formatted quick tables. The formatted table is inserted and the text can be edited as needed. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Savvy YouTube channel today. And if you need a complete library of training content written specifically for the legal industry, consider the Savvy Smart Content Library. Visit savvytraining.com for more information.